Hi. Today I have a few things that I want to share with you. One is a new salad dressing. The salad dressing has applesauce in it, and I want to just run by how I make my own applesauce. The second thing is how I can eat a great big bowl of spinach like this for my lunch. The more greens that you can eat, the more satiated you'll be and the more weight you'll lose. I've been maintaining 109 pounds, 108 pounds now for the last 6 months, and I always have a great big bowl of salad for my lunch. So let's make the salad dressing first. The salad dressing is compliments of my friend Jocelyn Graef. She's coming out with a new cookbook called Fast Easy Vegan, and as soon as that hits the shelves, I'm going to share that. I'll show you the link with that. Okay, so my salad dressing has rice vinegar. It has lemon juice. It has 1 tablespoon of Dijon. This is a German Dijon that I have here. There we go. Oops. It has ground flax seeds. Now I buy my flax seeds whole and I grind them myself in my spice grinder. You can also buy them already ground. No matter how you buy them, always store them in your refrigerator or your freezer. That stops them from going rancid. It has some garlic. And here's my applesauce. I just made my applesauce this morning, and I wanted to show it to you. I never peel my apples when I make applesauce. I just use my apple core, and then I chop up the apples, maybe 2 or 3 slices through each piece, and just boil this up. You can add cinnamon if you want. I don't even add any sugar to it. And puree it in your blender with the skin, and you're going to get the most nutritional bang for your buck with that. Okay, so I'm just going to blend up my salad dressing. Okay. It has a nice consistency. I think it'll probably thicken up when it sits for a while. And you can add salt or pepper, whatever flavor you want to add to that. Okay, so my salad. I posted a video earlier on how to clean your spinach to take the big spines out of it. So I've got 6 cups of spinach here. Now if I was to eat this without tearing it up or making it smaller, it would take me an awful long time. And I'm going to chop this up into some small pieces. And if I remember, I'm going to show you a tool that I bought at the Weight Watchers studio in Pittsburgh that I thought might work for this, but it didn't, so. Oops. Okay, I'll keep lifting this up. You see how small this gets. You can do this with any kind of a lettuce too. I'm thinking of nutrient density here with my spinach. And of course this is 0 points. I'm going to count the salad dressing as 0 points too, because it makes about 2 cups or 1.5 cups. So this is a tool that I got from the Weight Watchers studio in Pittsburgh. I thought it would be good for chopping up my salad, but it just doesn't really get in the corners too much. Maybe you might have a bowl that this fits better in, but it just doesn't work for me. I wish I could give it away to somebody. Okay, so these are all pretty small now. I'm going to add my salad dressing. You can even mix it up even smaller. I'm going to measure out how much I'm going to put in here now. Cup. I'll link the points below so that we know how much this actually makes. So I've got this pretty mixed up here. You could actually use your hand and massage it if you want. And I use a serving bowl size for my salads. You know, real food takes takes a while to prepare, and real food also takes a while to eat. I've got some red cabbage here. I cut this a couple of days ago, so it's just starting to turn color now. It needs to be refreshed. And then here I've just got a mix of cucumber, I've got some fennel, I've got some green onion, I've got some radishes and red peppers. I'm just going to throw this on top. And this is my salad for lunch today. That's as good as it gets at Jill's. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.